Welcome back to my channel. You're watching HQ BMW. My name is Jeff. For those who are just tuning in for the first time, we're modifying my BMW F30, and I also own a BMW E92, and we're just a BMW family. So if you like BMWs, subscribe below. All the content's going to be filled of BMWs and car stuff. So today I got a couple packages from XK Glow that I wanted to share with you guys and what we're going to do with them. So first things first that I got was I actually got a kit, a smaller kit, and it's a single color and it's blue. So in this kit we have switch, zip ties, cables, but we have these little pods. If you can see that there, there's just the two LEDs and they're the pods, and then it also includes two 6-inch strips. So what I'm going to be doing with this is, in the trunk I'm going to cut out the floor where it's covering the manifold, and then I'm going to put a piece of Lexan over top of that so you can see the manifold and the air lines running into there. And I'm going to run these pods and these light strips in that area, so at car shows when the trunk's open you're going to see that lit up blue. So we're going to work on that in a future vlog. So if you want to see this and see how I do that, please subscribe, and that's coming up. The other thing that we got was I kind of have noticed with the XK Glow and the Underglow, I could almost use a little bit more lighting underneath there. So what I did was XK Glow here hooked me up, and I actually got some 3 LED pods, and I'm actually going to take these and I'm going to put them into the system, and I put these at each corner so that now we have the strips down the back, the side, the front, and these are going to be in the corners. And then I got these strips that I'm actually going to put up in the front kidney grills. So if I have them, then the kidney grills are going to be glowing the same color as the Underglow. So let's get started. Come with me. I got all the corner lights installed on all 4 corners now. It really does look like it fills out the whole back and the front. There's not so many gaps now. I think that's exactly what I needed to do. But we're gonna go for a little tour around the car, and I'll show you guys how it kind of fills everything in. Another mod completed. I'm excited now to have that all filled out for the show season, and big shout out thanks to XK Glow again, Brian. You guys are awesome. Super fast shipping. I ordered these 2 days later. They were at the house and I had them. We were ready to go. So I'm going to wait to do the kidney grill ones until I take the front bumper off to do another mod that you guys are going to have to stay tuned to see what's coming. But we do got to get the front bumper off. Got some stuff to do there. So once I do that, then I'm going to run the wiring, put the lights into the kidney grills. It's just going to be a whole lot easier. I was looking under there now, and because of all the shielding underneath, it's just complicated to try and get in there. So I figured I'm just going to do it all at once. Take the bumper off, run the wires, mount the lights, then it'll be good to go. But we got the pods installed. That's one more thing off our checklist. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see what's coming next, and peace.